Welcome to Ngobo Shop I channel. Thank you so much for always supporting the channel. We are now approaching 13,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, Mkhutsi, how's it?
Go fine Mkhutsaka.
Omonate. Hoplo wa was the viewers na hore kwena mang o tswa kae o dula kae?
Ke nna Calvin Makinda. Ke nna go 58 Machia.
Yeah.
At Ridgeville.
Yeah, ke a bona wa pere jeze yelo ke le khosi re ke Sundowns.
Ke Sundowns, ke Sundowns
le holo.
Ke supportera ya Sundowns.
Yeah. Ke mang favorite player ha go Sundowns?
Ke Themba Zwane.
Oh, rata moshishi.
Yeah.
Ke bone le winne a league. Congratulations Mkhutsi. Ona no like le next year let I win a VV.
Re tla e wina ke di cup tsa rena.
Yeah. All right. O ile wa mema Mkhutsi re ke tle mo wena mo ona le request khopelo e leng gore o nya gore like maybe setšhaba se o thusa ka yona. Ke eng e le gore no nya ka go thusa ka yona?
Be ke khopela gore le nne ke le wheelchair ya go tsamaisa.
Oh, we had tsamaisa. Oh, okay. So ke bona ke khale so gona le batho ba ile gore maybe no nya gore like ba go thuse ka montle ka mone. Yeah. And then bothata ba ke eng this one?
Bothata gore ke berekisa letsogo le loane and then a ke khone ke pusha.
Oh, a khone di pusha ne? Oh, so at least nya gore ela ya pressa Oh, okay. No, ona bothata ene ha ba o nyaka ba dire beng or maybe ke share di number tsa rena mola ne and then batla mfounela.
Ba nyaka batla mfounela mo di numbering tsa ka ke 066 18 13 059.
Okay, kopa o di weletsa gape.
Ke 066 18 13 059. Yeah.
No ra lebo at least maybe batla lebella video ba gopola gore ne gona le bra bona ya le Sundawana ba re ke Calvin. So yeah, re tla post this video. Hopefully someone else will tla and then I'll once and re tla nka di photo just tsa how so that re ba khona go bona gore like gona ba nong ontse mo yona I comfortable for when. So yeah, so o feditse ke yona fela no inyaka.
Ke yona fela le
so far, yeah.
Ba ke nyako bona DJ Kare.
O nya go bona DJ Kare? I know bulala le yena.
DJ Kare ke nna Calvin Makinda ke nna Matriville ko 58 Machia. Venga thabo kopana le wena ra bolela bo botle.
Number one. And then go tlile nka re gore birthday ya hao ya tla ke eng birthday ya hao?
Birthday ya ka di 30 tsa May.
Oh, 30 May.
Yeah.
O tlhakantsha bokae no?
Tla ba ke tshwara 45 years.
45 years.
Yeah.
No, I ralebo. Thank you so much. Thank you Bafetu. Thank you so much to you for viewing this video and also for supporting the channel. With me here, I'm with Calvin Makinda. You know, he's looking for a wheelchair. The one that he's using now it's not comfortable for him because he's using only one hand. So if you can help him out there, please just help him with the wheelchair and make sure like he get the assistance that he needs. So yeah, message how to balateli ba khula dinao e reng?
Ke khopela re le tlhokomeleng le rapeleng ka metlhala mabaka le rapedisaneng le rataneng ba re fitlhela re bonana season e tlang le di supportera le di coach le management ya lena.
Number one. O tlo wina CAF this season.
Ya ke tlo wina CAF. Ke la Stars sa
bobedi. So out of a score prediction o dlala le Pyramid ka di 24. Score predictions sa ho reng or ba betha boka or lo draw maybe ka mo le ka ntlhela wa kora di goal or tlo direla.
Sundowns wina ka mo rena ka mo Loftus ka ba ka mo Super Stadium.
Loftus.
Yeah. Sundowns go kora 3. Yeah.
3 bokae 3 not
Three-
or 3 1
3 not
3 not
ah
oh okay beautiful and then how lebeletse ka ba mang le go raka kora di goals
ke tshepa Shaluli le number 10 ya Sundowns Ribeiro ke tshepa le number 13
number 13 Reyners Reyners will score 1 Ribeiro will score 1 and Shaluli will score 1
yeah
so 3 nil to Mamelodi Sundowns
yeah
no thank you ra le ba mkhutsi
le nna ke a leboga
hey tada thank you so much for watching we really appreciate your support and yeah Kelvin here is looking for a wheelchair please if you have something to offer just offer him that wheelchair it's his birthday on the 30th of May maybe I thabela that thing so yeah thank you so much keep on watching just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers thank you so much. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.